welcome back to another video and happy new year to you guys. We've got the Camaro out, we're heading over to a classic car show. So before we bring the Camaro out of hibernation, it's called the Classic Unnamed Car Group. We went there last year, but this is the 1st of January, it's a bank holiday and the sun is sort of semi out. So we're going to be heading over there momentarily. We're just letting the car warm up and we thought we'd come out to a countryside just to film a bit of an intro for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys are ringing in the new year well. And yeah, let's flip the camera around, let's head over to a car show and see what turns up. It should be a great morning and hopefully there'll be some American muscle cars there for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's head there. Brought the Camaro out of hibernation. It's been tucked away for a couple of months, but for the first outing of the year we brought it to the Waggon and Horses. Some old school American muscle. Got the Dodge Challenger RT next to a Dart. Two very powerful machines. I believe I may have saw this at Santa Pod a couple of times. Very cool. Got the limited edition Corvette we see at quite a few car shows. You've got the 720S And we got the Firebird down there, very close blue colour to the Firebird that my dad used to have, but not quite.
Any way you like. Is that one?
So we got a Ford Mustang next to a Pontiac Bonneville, absolutely gleaming in the sunlight. We've got the Defender and the Mystery Machine, and next to that we've got the Chevy. Got the jackets in the back, a very long vehicle, love the wheels as well. City of Los Angeles. So we've got his and hers Corvettes, we've got Bruce's F-150 Lightning, and then we've got the Ford Capri, the limo, and Christine at the end. The Racer's Edge, which you'll remember from the first Fast and Furious. So here's a close look at the Trans Am. You'll recognise some of the panels. The chassis from the Firebird and the Camaro are shared, and many of the body panels are. And interesting fact that my dad's Firebird, once he sold it, was actually stripped and they converted it into a Camaro, because it does share many of the same parts and the same chassis, so some of the parts are interchangeable. Late arrival, but the Skyline's just turned up. Let's get a close look at these pairs. Stunning American muscle. Just everything about this Challenger is super cool. thought it would be rude not to put the two side by side, the two F bodies.